What we're looking at here is this Casablanca Delta from 1984 in the bright brass finish. Now you might be wondering, why does it have 3 pull chains? Well, this one here, the light kit is probably not original, and it's got this weird thing. So yeah, that's pretty much that. So I'll demonstrate the light. And I got this fan along with that ARM M1 Victorian. They were both listed for free. And they were from a house that was being renovated. And that's what that third pull chain does. But you can see it's impossible to just get the center. But if you want, you can turn the center off and just have the outers. And here's low. Like I mentioned before, this fan's from 1984 and uses Slumber 3, which was the first year of Slumber 3. It also uses an Astrocin motor, and surprisingly the bearings are still perfectly good. Bring it up to medium. And other than needing a cleaning, it didn't really need any work at all. The bearings were still good. And it's Slumber 3, and Slumber 3 never fails. So of course that worked. Oh, the only thing it did need was a hang true. It had to hang true, but the notch that the ball sits in was somehow damaged. Yeah, this was the original hang true right here. Yeah, so I don't know what happened there, but the slot in the ball would not fit in there. It wouldn't stay at all. Wouldn't lock into place. And this is high speed here. And another thing is, when I got this fan, the reverse switch is backwards. Normally left is downdraft and right is updraft. And we will do spin down. Fan overall is in excellent condition. The light kit is a little tarnished, but the fan itself is in great shape. Alright, and that is all. A 1984 Casablanca Delta in bright brass.